School attention.
Good morning everyone. If you fail, never give up because FAIL fail means first attempt in learning. With this wonderful thought, I, Sabrina of grade 5, along with the members of my class wishing you a very auspicious morning to our Honorable Academic Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today is December 7th, letter writing day. Prayer purify our mind, so let us start this day with school prayer by Alifan Abdul Jalil.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful, the praise be to Allah, Lord of the world, the most gracious, the most merciful, Master of the day of the judgment. It is you we worship, and upon you we call help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those who have blessed, not of those against whom there is anger, nor of those who are misguided. We should gain knowledge and know the importance of everything that's happening every moment. Now I would like to call upon Jasim to deliver the importance of the day. Good morning everyone present here. I am Jasim of grade 5. Now I am going to present important of this special day. A letter provides instant and everlasting physical record of communication deprived of the necessity for printing. For receiving the letter, the receiver not to have any special device, just the postal address is required. Letter writing demands the person mastering the technique or skill of good writing. A letter by the sender in the own handwriting is more personal and special rather than an email. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Jasim. It was very informative. A meaningful course has a unique place in our life. Now I would call upon Talin sanraj to give some quotes.
Good morning everyone. I am Talin sanraj of grade 5. Now I am going to say some quotes related to this special day. The first one is letter writing is the only device for combining solitude with good company. The second one is the art of writing is the art of discovering what you Yeah, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Talin, Sanraj, for your wonderful quotes.
The world really is a strange, magical and a mysterious place. Now I would like to call upon Ahsan to deliver about the amazing facts of this day.
Good morning everyone. I am Muhammad Ahsan of grade 5. Now I am going to deliver some amazing facts of this special day. The dog, even the letter I is called title. The most common word in English is the longest word in English which don't use the letter E is florinification. A sentence which containing all 26 letters of the English alphabet is called a pangram. A famous pangram is the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. Thank you.
Thank you, Ahsan. To update ourselves every day shows your awareness towards our nation and society. News makes us understand what is happening around the world, so to enlighten with current happen. Here is Ameera with latest news headline.